Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Murigere bwa Ensoko TV ngo kwan kuranda cia sore aseri tukeriga ri 12 mutinyo gatano na rimwe mwaka bwe chilifu ibere merongebere na gatano na rimwe nukugena kwane unakoendere bya aseri tukurigima na boiga nogendere tukubwatia Ensoko kurwa 12 gwikera boni gacheragire chinsa 10 cia bono mogoroba cia Afrika ya mucha engakiyuka enyorama ya asenchira yobwekerano bunaberega kwariganirwa aso mogoroba obono irikwene kinankwe manyora yagenderete ayaetire na boigo ayarachi kubwatia tusanga sobwamo wetera asenchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook urabaga sesemu ya YouTube Ensoko TV. Eliane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakaro mogoroba bono chinga kibikoro bigosambwa wechi skuru imeyense bigendrete kugikeriwa mo nabarai au bare ase chinsemo na monokura sorongo rwa gusi ni boigo oyo kurigekerugo kyabasubati kurwase county ya Nyamira omanyeke una nere Meri Migiro nere sokire na ukwanire nganiyo ase obwagare na boigo boigo kagosirwa amo nabarai bande ase orogongo rwa gusi.
Mumaita masomo nale bate equalize ekolengani abataka nabanda lakini esebwango ya Nyamira yaito na Kisii County Gusii in general twanyori obokongo bonge chiskuru ko sambwa abana ko riots paka bali mba utwente okora abana abange bachirenka chiskuru kya sekiru ebintu byayire ngotebeiga eserikali yaito no ni ntu asobwamo ntutakere twikaranse toligeringa yobokongo boruwerete tutakere tu mnentu abayibole kera bana bagochanka most of the time totenga tiga abalimu babakonye lakini nduntu bwate jukumu enene abana abekero bachirenka tutakere tubakwanire nende ngoteba abalimu bali baita abange bakorete kuruchi bagwati degree in guidance and counseling batalikiri skuru nyinge nchibwate balimu aba onye togo chikokonya abana aba bakine koba abana abaya in the future was responsible kind of people tutakeire tulika abalimu aba bange aba guidance and counseling babe kichu skuru cheito ba reso bokungumole ndoko tsaka paka ya ikirese ikiri ya mana kubendo kuna ni jack reaction ngakwaro mo chando chito nalito kuchaka koyoshugulikira nene ngokwanira iga chikansa cheito chief community leaders yabire omochando monene bono tutakeire tuyibne emergency kanga bono tutakeire tore chi committee changire kobeko media buna inu anto a media pia mutakera motokonye mutorangeli twekanse buna iga toruchiya toru ogosemi gwaito tukwane na abana aba maybe a problem ere nene kubwa muna toroche kurwagu tumakonya abana abaito gekogenderega ndo gutwara ba youths bankyo na abana abangi bagochaka iga we love many school dropouts bali bagotigere school nchera and young ladies who are having children, that's young mothers. So tiato echake mapema. Una incho women rep incoming Onyamira ngo imiza sana tushugulikere ejambe.
Ege koirera enidamu y'abana kobembe asengencho ntwe buna twasomete kurukare ntwasambe the school. Getware gwachi abayiboli baito bakwanere amangana ya abana babo enidamu yabo baligereria abana batwale enidamu engiya sengenjo chiskuru knowledge bakonyorese skuru nero obugima bwankyo
yo ababwatene ao bakwigerera bwene bwa mwanya bantu niko bagikere budget ya trillion inya kinu gutaisano na isato eyasomo ituri tukuregoro no waziri bwekega nchekene na gia serikali John Mbari babwatene abo niko bona batebre nonya ebirengero byaba Kenya byasangeretiwe tibe babwa se tibya chete kubwataranirwa asomo robere uyu bwonse asebono bagoserere gucheko genda sekegambiro na kwenekia gose kwenda sekegambiro na koenekia abakenya nkonyora bare obwene bwabo buna ebwenderete.
We want to say with a lot of disappointment that the budget outcome as was read fell short of factoring in the voices of the people because the public participation that was purportedly undertaken did not meet the threshold of what public participation ought to be. And we have asked this severally, that we did not hear a proper analysis of the issues that came from the public, thematically analyzed, and we did not hear both Treasury and Parliament telling us that these are the voices of Kenyans. This is what they wanted. This is what they did not want. And out of what they suggested, this is what we have factored in the budget.
That they did not listen to us. We are here. This is our country. One of the things we will do is ensure that everybody understands the gain Kenyans would have gotten if they had listened to our views. They are not political views, they are patriotic views. Secondly, we are waiting for the Budget and Appropriations Committee report, the Finance and Planning Committee report, and definitely we'll be moving to court to contest when they do not listen to us. Other than that, we have declared the one thing that people must understand, like the alphabet in Kenya, is the budget. We will no longer be violated.
As you are aware, we are having the challenges we are having with fuel prices, the increasing food prices due to the inflation, and therefore what we have had Kenyans speak about is asking, are we going to get any reprieve from what is happening? And what is happening, what has happened here today, I join the provost in condemning it, and it shows that the voices of the people are being heard even after the budget was read, and we will continue to discuss these issues because it is our budget, it is our taxes, and our taxes should be used for the purposes that we...
So why should we allocate a lot of money to the office of the president if we are not seeing any returns in terms of building our economy? And as young people, we are also concerned that the parliament have let us down, especially since 2024. Why are we allocating all those billions to parliament, yet they are not representing us the way that is required? So we request that the money allocated to parliament be slashed even to half, because the people are not feeling they are parliamentarians. They are not defending us when we are in...
Magombo amanene nigarora kalira samatanga yobwamo yokubaeni aborokiwa 15 noyomo abo basiri ubugima bwabo kubatikana no mubasukana bwo muri rase skuru yaba isike ya utumishi kitariki ya 25 na isatu mutinyo oyoiga umutinyo eto gatano matanga yo nigo akorekanire asensemo ya Gilgil na bwo asabarai aba bagwikira na bakoragwa no murugi bwo muri bwensere cyo rutomo waziri wekisemi Julius Ogamba na bwo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna amona banda bangi.
Words fail us. As a parent myself, the phone call that I fear the most is from the school where my daughter attends, and I cannot begin to fathom what you're going through. Poleni sana na Mungu aweke roho za hawa watoto wetu mahali pema peponi. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
I think teaching is a calling. Let us do our best to ensure that the lives that God has entrusted with us are safe, well taken care of. And I'm very sure if we gather forces tukiungana mikono pamoja, such a thing will never happen. May the soul of our departed daughters and the dreams shattered rest in peace. To God be the glory. Thank you.
Riku, the school captain of the Utumishi Girls Academy. Today, we gather with heavy hearts to honor and remember the 16 beautiful souls whose lives were tragically cut short in the devastating fire that struck our school. This day of sorrow, reflection, and remembrance, a day when we came together not only to mourn, but also to celebrate lives that touched our lives and reached our community. As students, we have lost more than classmates, we have lost sisters, we have lost friends, study partners, teammates, and companions who shared our dreams, our laughter, and our hopes for the future. Their absence leaves a void that words cannot adequately describe, and the pain of losing them is one that we will carry for a long time. To the families of our departed sisters, we extend our deepest and most heartfelt condolences. No words can fully ease the grief you are experiencing, but please know that we mourn alongside you.
Omurai wense William Ruto niga umirane n'abarayi bebinyoro ime nyombo y'abarayi wense kurwase county ya Marsabit bakoragwa n'umugavana Mohamud asenkwane yaye Ruto nigo akwanero konyarikana gwense ya Kenya kubekana chinse chinde buna Norway, Singapore ne chinde asamo chirabamire baye gesiasa.
Norway ni inchi ambayo iko na sovereign wealth fund, the largest in the world, $2 trillion. You know? Na hiyo sovereign wealth yao wamejenga in the last 30 years. Saa hizi katika Kenya tunamalizia kujenga sovereign wealth fund ya Kenya. Pengine nitaweka sahihi in the next 1 month or 2 months. Ndio sasa hata na sisi tuanze kujipanga vile wengine walijipanga kutafuta utajiri ambayo itatusaidia kuendesha miradi yetu ya maendeleo na kuondoa umaskini katika taifa letu la Kenya. Mnanielewa? Kwa sababu unajua uongozi ni kitu ya muhimu. Wale walijipanga leo, nchi ya South Korea, nchi ya Singapore, nchi hiyo ya Norway, nchi ile ingine ya Malaysia walikuwa pamoja na sisi miaka 60 iliyopita. Leo wako first world, bado sisi tunang'ang'ana huko chini. Tofauti ni uongozi. So tukijipanga vizuri na tuamue mambo vizuri, hii Kenya tutaibadilisha. Watu hawa mnaona wananipigia makelele mingi, ni kwa sababu nimesema tuwe na usawa katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na wauliza watu wa Marsabit, kuna makosa ya usawa? Kuna makosa ya watu wakisemekana wawe sawa? Si maendeleo ifike kila mahali ya Kenya? Ama mnasema namna gani? Si ndio? Yes, so tutaendelea na usawa, tutapanga Kenya iwe sawa sawa na kila Mkenya ajihisi ya kwamba tuko katika taifa la Kenya. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie, mbele na nyuma, kulia na kushoto, juu na chini, mambo ya ubaguzi haitawezekana tena katika taifa letu la Kenya. We are going to move together as one people, as one nation.
Magigayomo waziri wekega ncheke nene John Mbadi gosome budget yo mwaka w'ekili fubera 2025 na 2025 na kabere ekyama kya People's Liberation Party PLP ekoragwa na Martha Karua nigo baberema minchane budget yo ase baerere bunani gera chiko migomo Kenya na igo nere bya serikali ekyani obutumikyo bobe bwechibesa.
We would not offer a bloated budget. We would remain with the figures of last year. There is no need of boasting that we have the largest budget ever when what we have is the largest deficit ever, which is going to cause the of more borrowing. Already we are strained by debt repayment. Why would we spend beyond our means and increase the debt? Let us start with discipline, spend what we can raise.
We see executive luxury increasing. The government and cabinet still remain bloated. And that's the moral crisis of this year's budget. It basically transfers the burden to Kenyans because a serious administration sacrifices itself before asking its citizens to sacrifice. But instead of introducing austerity measures and reforms, Kenya's budget is proposing a much more dangerous path. So we ask, why is the government more aggressive in monitoring struggling Kenyans than it is in cutting excessive wastage? Why is the government easy for it to track Mboga than to stop? Why does the government move faster against ordinary Kenyans and against corruption? Because it's come okay, we haven't refused responsibility. What we are refusing is a budget system where citizens are monitored while corruption is let free to roam, where citizens are taxed while government wastage stays hidden, and where citizens are squeezed while luxury at the top remains untouched.
Ensemu ya United Alternative Government nigo ya chakire taro ya Borogongo rwa Western Kenya asibagendere kugikeri oburai no bokorali bwe serikali ya Bor buna agendere kwenekiko kura ensemu eyo.
Mimi ni ule kijana ambaye nilitembea kwa hii Kenya yote mzima. Na wakati nilitembea pale, nilikuwa natamania kuona uongozi mpya. Na wakati nimeangalia hii Kenya, nikasema kuna viongozi ambao lazima tukane nao pamoja ili tukaweze kuleta mabadiliko hii Kenya. Kila mtu ambaye yuko hapa anapeleka mtoto wake kwa shule ili ya kwamba mtoto asome apate kazi. But right now we have an irresponsible government. Badala ya kutafuta job opportunities kwa wananchi wake, kwenda huko nje ati wanaenda kutafuta. Tuko na serikali ambayo haina mpango. Wanakuja na mambo ya GMO ambayo imeaffect mambo yetu ya products zetu za kwenda nje. Mimi nataka niulize viongozi wa Western wote, wakati badala ya kutetea watu wetu wapate stima, wao wako katika mambo yao. Mimi nataka niwaambie watu wa Luanda, wakati wanapoenda kutembea huko Zurura huko, pia 2027 mkenu. Lakini sisi wananchi tunataka mabadiliko na United Opposition ambavyo viongozi wetu wako hapa.
Na sisi tumeamua ya kwamba Kasongo hawezi pewa second term kama ameshindwa kuunda mambo ya afya, mambo ya elimu, mambo ya uchumi. Sasa kila mtu amefinywa. Alisema bottom up, pesa mfukoni. Kuna pesa mfukoni mwenu imeingia? Shida hakuambia mama mboga na bodaboda ni mfuko wa nani. Pesa zote zinaingia mfuko wa Zakayo. Finance bill hako anaenda kuongezea ushuru tena.
Hapa jamii ya Mlembe, huyu Kasongo amebeba nyinyi ufara. Mapato na yake mtu ya standard 2 anaitwa Faruk, ati kutaganya Waluya, ati watafanya Wetangula president 2032. Ni uongo si uongo? Nyinyi mnaweza amini hiyo uongo? Sasa wewe Kasongo unatuma Faruk kudanganya Waluya ati utawapatia urais 2032. Wewe hutakuweko. Wewe tunafukuza 27 utakuwa Sogoi. Sasa utasaidia Wetangula ukiwa wapi? Number 2, umezoea kudanganya watu ya Mlembe. Wewe umezoea kudanganya watu ya Mlembe. Rigiji aseme asiseme, atoboe asitomboe.
Wikira bumwe nchumuriria no tuwikira mwerio bwama ya asenchira yubenge chinsa 10 kurenda semu ne chinseto Clinton ondigi na chuko yaretera ase obwagari bura basikwe tubagandira tuko yarigania ase omugorobo bono gendera kubwatia bero birende atigire ase omugorobo bono Eliane Ishmael Mogere.